What's up, everybody? It's Jamie with Destination Bigfoot Bronco, and today we are at Bigfoot's Playground, and we're going to do a little fun mod. We're going to go ahead and install my Diode Dynamics SSC1s that I had left over. As you can see right here, these were on my knuckle pods, and what we're going to do is go ahead and install them on my TrailRax roof rack to give us a little lighting outside. And then I'm going to wire an Auxbeam switch panel in the back here, somewhere along the side, and be able to have control from the rear and have it wired up to my auxiliary batteries, which I have under the Mountains to Metal slide out tray. So we're gonna go ahead and get started.
Destination Bigfoot Bronco. Destination Bigfoot Bronco. Big kicks, big drops. Let's go, go, go.
Okay, first things first, these are a little dirty, so I want to go ahead and get them cleaned up. I've got amber lenses on the cover of these, so we'll take that off first. And we'll go ahead and get them cleaned up. Okay, now that I've got those cleaned up, I want to go ahead and put these weatherproof quick connects on the wires to make it easy so I can disassemble it if I'm ever taking the roof rack off, or if I need to remove the hard top. Okay, I got these stripped off, and I've got my little weatherproof connectors here. I've got it taped here, and what I'm going to do is feed it up through my roof rack, feed it through the groove in the side, and then put on a single connector for my backlight, and then a double connector for the positive and negative. That way I can disconnect it up top. And I'll show you exactly what I've got over here. I went ahead and set up the bracket here, so when I mount everything here onto the side, I can feed my wires down through this top groove here. Okay, so I got my light tightened down here on the side bracket, and I've got my wiring and everything run under here along with the quick connects. So next I'm going to run the wire down this channel across the beam over to the other side, so I'll have the lights there as well. Okay, so I've got my lights up. I've got them wired along the frame rail of the roof rack, and the only thing left now is to run the wire down inside, tap the running light, and also connect it to my controller. Okay, so I created a little panel here out of hard plastic and wrapped it in felt that houses my control box, my controller, and my circuit breaker. So we'll get this installed up on my molly panel inside the rear. Okay, got everything mounted up, had all the holes pre-drilled already. So now it's just time to wire everything up. And here's the opposite side where I've got my solar charge controller and my battery charger and my Blue Sea accessory set up. Okay, so I've got my wires all tied up nice and neat behind the panels here. I added grommets to run my wiring up behind the panel here, as well as down here. And next is to install the sticker for my roof light. Now, one of the cool things about this is you can set it up for strobe mode. Hopefully this helped you dial in your roof rack lighting setup. If it did, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next build. Remember, when one road ends, the next destination begins.